In this video, we talk about IEE regulations. What are IE regulations? IE regulations apply for the electrical wiring. IEE means Institute of Electrical Engineers, which is established in London. The first edition was published in 1885. Called name was Rules and Regulations for Prevention of Fire Risk Rising from Electric Lighting. These regulations need to be modified. Evolution of the electrical technology. Many editions were published. Their 16th edition was published in 1992, BS7671. 17th edition was published in 2008 and 18th edition published 2019. 18th edition First Amendment published in 2020. It includes electrical vehicle charging installation and other changes. 18th edition Second Amendment published in 2022. Countries use wiring regulations according to their country rules and regulations. Example, Sri Lanka. Generation, transmission and distribution of electrical energy is regulated by the Electricity Act of number 19 of 1950. So Sri Lanka shall follow the latest IE regulation. There is the legal situation of IE regulation in Sri Lanka. Many countries like Singapore, Cyprus use these regulations. In 2006, IE name had been changed to IET. IET means Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now we see structure of the IET Regulation 18th edition. Number 1. Scope, object and fundamental requirement for safety. Number 2. Definition. Number 3. Assessment of general characteristic. Number 4. Protection for safety. Number 5. Selection and erection of equipment. Number 6. Inspection and testing. Number 7 is special installation and locations. IET book has numbering system. Each item has number. It includes part number, chapter number, section number and subsection number for easy reference. Regulations apply for the following voltage ranges: extra low voltage, normally not exceeding 50 volt AC or 120 volt triple free DC. Low voltages, normally exceeding extra low voltages, not exceeding 1000 volt AC or 1500 volt DC. Frequency 50 to 60 Hertz. These are the voltage ranges applicable for the IET regulations. Medium voltage, high voltage, like 33 kV, 11 kV, 132 voltages can't apply these regulations. They have mentioned exclusion from the scope of the regulations are railway traction signaling equipment, motor vehicle, except when regulations on caravan park, ships and offshore equipment, supply work, aircraft, mines and quarries, radio interference suppression, lightning protection, lifts. IE regulation given special attention to the following. That means supplementary special requirements apply for the IE regulations. Bath or showers, swimming pools, hot sauna. We know in our body condition is wet, our resistance is very low. Therefore, we need more protection than normal installation. Construction sites, agriculture premises, restriction condition locations, caravans and caravan parks, highway power supplies and street lighting. The regulations are to ensure the protection of person, priority given to the person, then property, livestock, equipment.